Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about safety and safety culture within our organization. It's everyone's responsibility in the company to work in a safe manner, and it's management's responsibility to make sure that you can work in a safe manner, that you have the tools to do that in order to be safe, that you feel that it's okay to take the time to do it right and to do it safely. That's one thing I want to really make clear to everyone, is that you should feel comfortable working in a safe manner and not have any concerns whatsoever about doing things right. We want to make sure that all of you go home to your family the same way that you came to work for us. If you see something that is not right or an unsafe condition, you don't want to be that person that didn't speak up or didn't take action or didn't do all that you could so that the person after you didn't get hurt. So even if you feel lucky, even if you feel it's not going to happen to me, you need to take the responsibility for your coworkers and for others. So if you see something that's wrong, or if you can't control the situation, make sure that work is stopped around that area until you can get the situation corrected. You have a lot of options for reporting a problem or a situation. You can go to your direct manager or supervisor. They are willing and able and want to help you solve that problem. If for whatever reason you're uncomfortable talking to your direct supervisor, you can anonymously call and leave a message on our hotline. Obviously, the more information that you can give us so that we can understand the situation and take action as quickly as possible, the better it is. But you have lots and lots of avenues to speak up. There should be no reason that anybody says, you know, I didn't know who to talk to, or I didn't know how to contact the company. So if a situation, if an event occurs, you have to take care of the people, you have to report the situation, and then once we understand it, we have to contain it and correct it. We have lots of procedures and processes and tools in order to help you improve the safety on the site. You all have JHAs, job hazard analysis forms. It's more than a piece of paper. You know, it's really a tool that's meant to help you assess a situation or a job site when you walk up to it. So that's really the purpose of that JHA form, is to help you identify things that could possibly go wrong, and then come up with methods and ways that your team could prevent those things from going wrong before they do. Consequences can be severe. They're life-threatening in many cases in the industries that we work in. So we have to have proper respect for the materials that we're working in. The best way that we can help each other is by sharing ideas. It is easy to fall into a sense of complacency. It's too easy. You become complacent and desensitized to the risks that are around you if they are not brought up and mitigated in a timely manner. Management has a key role to play with regards to the safety of our workers. We have to make sure that safety is foremost in your minds, and that you're not confusing some of the other messages that you get from management regarding your productivity and efficiency. And management is constantly talking to the regions and constantly talking to your leaders on a local level to make sure that message is getting across. We do have a lot of systems, forms, and procedures that are designed to be tools to help you stay safe. Follow the procedures which have been developed to keep you safe and to help you do your job. Now, if for whatever reason you feel that one of our procedures or one of our processes or one of our forms is not effective, is not working for you, don't keep that to yourself. It's not a secret. We can't fix that if you don't bring it to us. We need you to bring these things to our attention. So if you really do have a better idea, we want to share that with everybody. But we need to evaluate it against what we have. So please bring those things to our attention. Continual improvement is a key aspect of any healthy business. And we need you to utilize our tools to assess what we do and how we do it, and to make it continually better. Everybody in this company is important. You are a key member of a team. So you're a critically important part of the process. You guys are going to stress these systems in ways that we couldn't have predicted or imagined. So again, you're a critical part of that team. You're going to bring things to us that we didn't realize. We have an idea or a theory, sounds good around the conference room table, but it may change based on your input from the field to make it better. It's critically important that if you see something, you have to say something. We need and want to hear from you, and you have many avenues in which to speak to us or to contact us. So thank you for your time.